Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to show slope of trend line in Excel. Let's begin. I apply first of all step 1, then secondly apply step 2. First of all select your data, insert recommended chart, all chart, XY scatter, select 1 and 2 as you wish. Then click any point, right click on your mouse. Right click any point, right click on your mouse at trend line, exponential linear, scroll, display equation on chart and see this y into 3x slope. And step 2, click any cells. I already copied to this formula, sense something y range, select y range and x range, remove this, select x, press enter, and now we can see this slope number 3. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.